What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at Nvidia stock. Guys, this thing in the post market is $846. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So, guys, don't you worry. We'll take a look at everything that is happening. We had Microsoft and Google's earning today. Those things have just skyrocketed. Check those out on my channel. I did a video here, earnings speed. That has definitely shifted the market quite a lot, changing some structures as well. I would definitely want to see tomorrow as well how things goes, but check this video out here. You will get to know about what Google and Microsoft did. So coming back to Nvidia, yes, Nvidia is above $824 again, and not just above that. Now, the thing is that TradingView doesn't show the post-market on the chart here. So let me actually put this line over here, post-market data. This is where the price is right now, somewhere in the post-market, okay? So just so that you can picture this thing. Now the question is, are we bullish here fully now, or our bears can still bring it down tomorrow? Has the structure changed again, or is the distribution phase marked up here after breaking 824? Is that still valid, or are we recapturing it and then trying to go up again? So we'll talk about all this in this video, guys. By the end of this video, you will know everything, but you need to be, as again, decisions, what you want to do is completely yours. I'm just sharing my opinion here, just as educational opinion. How you want to trade, that's completely your responsibility and your risk. So also we will be taking a look at this guy's options data on Nvidia. So a lot of things to cover. So let's start it off, okay? Now, we have had earnings, right? We did break below this $824 level distribution phase. That follow through to the downside hasn't been coming in the way I have been wanting. Now, yes, this rebound happened. I said that, guys, this is fine. It's a stronger rebound. We did have a red candle then yesterday. However, today's earnings, Microsoft, Google, they have not just that. Nvidia was also going up today. Things in the technicals are looking like they're getting choppy here. Now, I won't say that we are fully bullish. There are still a few things we have to go through. But before that, as I say, like regardless of whatever the thing is, I'm not worried because, well, why not, Junior Trader? Well, for the reasons that, guys, I trade both sides, long and short. So let me show you my day trading bot. Great position on Nvidia. Again, great buying signals, great take profit areas on Nvidia. I'm loving it. Last 30 trades of data on Nvidia is $10,000 profit. Net profitable, we are $10,000. Yes, there will be losing days as well. Here you go, red days. It's all about being net profitable. And again, there's guarantee of nothing. You know, these are just for education purposes, the tools that I have. I use them for reference for my trading. But as I said, there's guarantee of nothing. Yeah, so, but what I'm trying to say is that I'm not complaining. Yesterday, Nvidia was falling and my bot gave no position. So did I trade it yesterday? Not on the long side. Yeah, I didn't trade it to the long side. Why? Because my bot didn't give any position. The days it gives the position, I trade it long. I'm happy. All right, but anyways, just wanted to show you that. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. I have 2 indicators and 2 trading bots. All right. So let's go back to the daily interval and let's set some foundation for what things are like. So we are still, even in the post market, yes, 846 is quite a strong level. We are still below 20 days and 50 days moving average. But at this point, guys, it's the same thing. Between 824 and 50 days moving average, where the price is, it's again a tug of war between bulls and the bears. Okay, this is where bulls are trying to regain the territory and bears are pushing them down. Who has more control? In my opinion, bears still have 55% control, but their control is reducing. 60 to 55%, I would say bears are still in control, but not that strong anymore the way they were like yesterday especially. And yes, bulls have again come back and they are at least 50%, sorry, 40% in control at least, if not more. So But so now this what it comes down to, how to trade with the structure technically. So this pivot, has this pivot confirmed? Well, this is a start. Day trading bot is already giving profitable position on the long side, but as if tomorrow is the day, if we get above 20 and 50 days moving average tomorrow, guys, that's a, you can expect Nvidia to go higher. That's a little bit of a change of structure. So it also comes down to tomorrow. But let's go to the hourly interval because interesting things are on the lower time frame as well here. So what are we seeing? We are below 20 days and 50 days moving average still, but why bulls probability is increasing as well is because, first of all, we have broken out and above of 824 also dollars level, which means we're back again into that distribution phase. But we are not bearish now again, right? We are above this trend line as well. Now that was the rejecting trend line right from this area, right? And we rejected that yesterday as well, but now we have recaptured it. And we have gotten out of it and recaptured it by forming a double bottom type of a pivot, right? So that's something to keep in mind. We are also, at least right now, above 200 hours moving average. Okay, so yes, bulls have a lot more control. Tomorrow, if Nvidia even falls, there is a good chance at $824 level it can find a support. Things are again looking much more to the upside on Nvidia, in my opinion, right now. It's just about the time. If that final confirmation breaks happens above 20 and 50 days moving average, then there are some confirmed plays to the upside, a day or two at least, if not more than that. So guys, yes, bulls are coming back in strong right now. The level is still 824 tomorrow. If it finds support there above 824 tomorrow, it's still a long play turning strong. 20 and 50 is just the last two things left for it to fully get bullish. On lower time frames, bulls have already taken over a lot of the territory from the bears. Okay, so yeah, so it all comes down to how it closes tomorrow. If it closes weak below 824 or above 824, I will still be a little bit more bearish if Nvidia closes between 824 and 50 days moving average. If it closes between these, then going into next week I'll still be bearish. But if it closes above 50 days moving average tomorrow, yes, going into next week you can expect Nvidia again running up then. All right, but we'll talk about it more when we get to that point. All right, so you got the levels that you are watching, gave you the levels on hourly interval, daily interval. Let's take a look at again on the 5 minutes interval just to make sure we have talked everything. And yes guys, so yeah, 824 is still the level you are watching, and yeah, anything above that is still gonna keep it bullish now. All right, okie dokie. All right, let's take a look at options data. And on Nvidia, white line is today's closing price. I took the post market price into account. So these were the calls rising at 840 and 850. 840 calls in the post market are printing money, not before that. If you just take into account regular closing price, then we would be somewhere here, the gray line. So that doesn't mean that calls are hit, but I have just taken post market data because it's worth it, because there's just a lot of price movement. Then look, 900 calls are still increasing. I'm not sure if tomorrow 900 calls are going to print money. That's still quite far, but it's Nvidia. So yeah, that's the only thing I'm seeing in the data on Nvidia, is that surprisingly there are still 900 calls are increasing, but we have 880 or so. It's surprising that lower ones here, 860, are not much. But again, tomorrow is the last day of the week, so you would expect much more zero day to expirations options also showing up. And so tomorrow's data, options data, would be very balanced here. So I might not show tomorrow's options data later when the market has closed, because 0 day to expirations options is going to balance out the whole graph here. So anyways, so guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like and subscribe. I did, as I said, a lot of videos. Check out the Tesla video as well. That is like, Tesla is the beast, guys. This thing is unstoppable now. I'm loving it. AMD also some structure was changing in the morning. I talked about it. So check that video out on my channel if you are interested. All right. Cool, guys. Okie dokie. Well, I'll see you in my next videos. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. Okay, bye.